you friends, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining me on today's video. My name is ARNEST, and all along you have seen my YouTube channel grow, and you have been here. For those who have been subscribed early enough, I want to appreciate you and take a chance to welcome you to my another phase where I want to challenge myself and see what else can we introduce to our new era of producing these videos. As a champion and the founder of ARNEST Digits myself, and the owner of YouTube channel, the one you're watching right now, I just want to share a snippet and some of the things that I'm planning to make sure that you get the right content right. So I've been talking about how to make money online and some of the things that you need for you to progress when it comes to posting and using application, how to make money. But today we want to explain a little bit beyond that and seeing if we can benefit the community. How? One of the things that I want to explain is as a journalist and a mastermind of using our pocket-friendly studios, those are mobile phones, to make sure that we get the stories which are going to help people and help us to share our stories. There's something that came into my mind before I made this video, is that we are seeing a lot of mainstream media. Mainstream media, for those who don't understand, is videos and news and some of the clips which are going around in our TVs, radio stations. You find most of them are more political, and they don't emphasize a lot on issues which are concerning people, which are affecting children, which are affecting you, especially wherever you are, at your village, and as a person, yourself, your growth, your business, your work, your social life. So what we are doing is I decided that I'll go beyond the media and see some of the stories which have been neglected, and I'll publish them. So I just welcome you to be part of this journey, because that's what we are going to focus on. And we are also going to focus on issues and problems affecting people. I once said this in one of my videos. You can check them on my YouTube channel. You'll see I had some story, and I try to mention in one of my videos. So make sure you follow my videos and you'll see some of the amazing stories that we are going to do. With the powers invested in me and the powers that I was given as a journalist, I'm going to use all my mechanism, the resources available, and some which we cannot never acquire. We shall acquire them over time. I know this will take time, but we believe, or I believe, me and you, that I'll reach you, have conversation with you, talk to you, and if you have any idea of someone whom you feel we can feature into our stories and our YouTube channel, you're free to do so. We shall find a place, we shall find how we communicate, and see how we can find the person so that we publish him on our YouTube channel. And especially our main consumers will be you. When you share, when you put on social media, when you put on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, it will be very amazing. I want to welcome you once more again. And if it's your first time you're seeing ARNEST Digits and this YouTube channel is very, very amazing to you, just show some love and click the subscription button and like, comment down below. Let me know where you're from and what are some of the things that you need us to also focus on. But first of all, I'm going to mention some of the things that we need to focus on here. First, we are not going to talk about politics. That's number one, red. We cross that. We're not going to talk about politics at all. We may just need them to clarify one or two things in case they are mentioned in our conversations. Then we shall maybe reach to them to see what's their point of view. But what we are looking at is how are we going to change our society in our life, in our generation, and as a mobile phone journalist, I'm going to walk around with my mobile phone and see some of these amazing places that we have, the blessings that God has given us, and some of the areas where we are not doing well in our society. All right, the stories might take around 10 to 15 minutes. We might have a series of part 1, part 2, part 3, but all this is a package just because of you to get informed. I'm taking up this journey, and I welcome you to be part of this journey as we move forward. Welcome once again. Then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you still feel you need another more clarified way, we are going to do that in the comments below. Let me know what are some of the areas you feel the mainstream media, the channels of TV that you watch every day that haven't touched. What is so affecting to you in your community, in your family, in the area that you have? We have aspects like, for example, like the health issues, we have education issues, we have security issues, we have in our own village development issues concerning our development. You see, you stay in a village where you find you have been neglected, and we have concerns to put forward to the people that are they need this to happen. Then make sure you share with us and join us so that we can see all this conversation, how it goes. I'm sure this is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a good journey where we are going to talk and share, express, and we make sure that these issues or our news or our stories will reach the concerned people so that they can be they can take action. Okay, so thank you for watching this short clip. I'll be back with #1 story on ARNEST Digits.